back to my channel. So judging by the looks of this video, I think you guys can tell what this video is going to be about. I am currently moving and I wanted to do a spring summer clean out. It won't be as big as my clean out before. It's just a few pieces that I'm not sure that I want. So let's get started. Y'all should be proud. I did my hair for this video and put on contacts, but as far as clothes, not changing. The first is this shirt. I got it in Japan. It is mesh, and what's cool about this shirt is it looks like it's checkered, but actually the stripes on one side goes horizontal and the stripes on the other side go vertical. So when you're just holding it up, it looks like a checkered shirt, mesh checkered shirt. Okay, so here's the top. It's super cute, but it fits kind of awkward, like it's not cropped. If it was cropped, it should be about here, but it's like slightly cropped. So like my pants would end here, like my regular jeans. It's just a weird fit. I still think the top is cute. It would work well with high-waisted jeans and you wouldn't have this awkward gap. This is where pants usually sit on my body. So I think that's the only issue I have with this top. It's still in great condition. I think I'll list it, but if I can't sell it, I'll keep it. So if you guys want it, to grab it before I change my mind. I think this was in my last video, and that means it's time to give it away. It will work with like some high-waisted pants. It's in very good condition. My cousin gave this to me, but I don't think I'd wear it. I'm especially looking at it in the mirror. But the sleeves are super cute. You can decide if you're gonna like let it hang out like this, like you can wear it over a bathing suit, or you can like pull it together like that to conceal a little bit more. I am definitely gonna list this one on my Poshmark. And all these items that I'm listing will be in the comments down below. So I hauled this in a yellow in one of my earlier videos. And I didn't like how it was macaroni yellow when it looked like it was gonna be mustard yellow. So I returned it with some other things and got this color instead. It says with love. It's a bit faded. It has this cut mark, which drew me to it. It has zippers. The cute little detail will scare you though. If you're doing this, you think this bug is on you. The back. So black and white stripes running up and down the arms. These are sewn on, these aren't printed. Yeah, just a super chill, comfy top. Definitely going to let this one go. So I got this button up from Old Navy. It is a very light, like crazy light blue. Almost looks like a denim, like chambray. I was very into trying denim on denim, but I wanted a different color, so I definitely got this and then wore it with a darker denim pant. I'm just not really into this shirt anymore. These will lay flat if you iron them or steam them like crazy. Still in really good condition. Looks like it's hardly been worn. Okay, so before y'all go crazy about this top, I'm just seeing if y'all think I should keep it or not. So this top is very cute. It's tight on the girls, as you can see. Breathing is a little stifled, but if I wear the right bra, like something with less fabric, or no bra at all, it fits wonders. It's very cute. Blue, like this blue, royal bluish color with like burnt orange, flowers, spaghetti strap, racer back, and it has lining. It does have a little bit of a pull mark here and here, probably just through just regular wear and tear. I think I might keep this one. What do you guys think? Just let me know if I should keep this one or not. I feel like all the ones up till now I know that I want to get rid of, but this one I'm on the fence. I feel like it would be good under a blazer, or you know, just like kind of more professional to wear with jeans or something like that. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, here is this crop top. I got it from Rue 21. It's a super cute crop top, especially with high-waisted jeans. It's in very good condition because it is cotton, so it's kind of hard to like ruin it. This shirt really looks like I bought it yesterday. I love this shirt. I get compliments every time I wear this shirt. Looking at this shirt in the mirror, I'm like so like wanting to keep it, but I feel like I've had it for so long. It's been a few years. I love wearing this shirt with dark wash denim. So cute. And like gold jewelry. Oh my gosh. And like for like professional reasons, I'll wear like an undershirt, but usually like if I'm just out, I'll just wear a black bra. I can't believe I'm selling this shirt. Alright, y'all have seen this shirt before. Don't come for me. I know. I should have sold it a long time ago, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, yes, gonna sell this shirt. Think I've talked about it before. It's boxy, it's cropped. I don't wear it. I just was really wanting a matching set. I believe I'm going to keep the shorts for another go around because I can wear the shorts with like another top, especially at the beach. It has a zipper on the back. It fits pretty well. The fabric is so soft and thin. High-waisted shorts would be good with this. This shirt, back in the day I wanted to wear it as a dress and my family was like, what? No. This shirt is a very long shirt. It's cute if you do a front tuck like that in some jeans. Super cute, but I've had this for a long time. Pretty sure I got it at H&M, and it's time to let it go. So yes, it covers your butt, but not enough to be considered a dress, unfortunately. But you can wear leggings with it. Okay, I'll keep you guys down here cutting off the top of my head because I'm about to do rompers and dresses and all that jazz after this bodysuit. So all right, this bodysuit, I wanted it so bad. I waited until it was on sale. It sold out. I got it when it came back in stock. I was choosing between this, the taupe, or the blue. Got the green because I don't have anything in this color, but it's time for it to go. It has snaps in the private areas. It's a very more covered bodysuit. Like you can wear a banging bra because like the sleeves can, like the straps will be hidden and like push up your boobs like so well. And you know, it's like still like, it's like tasteful cleavage, you know. It's from Forever 21. I'm reconsidering putting this number on sale. It is a bit short is the reason I was going to put it on sale, but now that I put it back on again, it doesn't feel that bad. It's hard to wear a bra because it cuts so low, but it's super cute. I've only worn it like twice, but see, I have really long legs, so this is where, yeah, see, that's how much space I had. The back doesn't feel that bad. I think I'll keep this for another go around. I think I can wear it. This is a very just stand there or sit there and look pretty kind of outfit, but yes, it does show a lot of leg. Alright, so I know I said in one of my videos the blue and gold dress is my graduation dress, but it was actually my graduation picture dress. This dress was my graduation dress. Super cute, such a good color on me. I don't think I wore a bra, well, at least not when you could see like this. Just fits the body so well, and I don't have hips, but it makes me look like I have hips. The reason I'm selling it is because it needs to go to someone shorter than me or has shorter legs than me, because it is right under my butt and I can't do anything in it except for stand and look pretty, and hopefully the wig doesn't come and slap up. Like when I say it's right under my butt, it's like right under my butt and it's flowy, so you definitely know one false swoop and whoo! But I really love this dress. I wish it fit. It was longer. I tried to like stretch it because the fabric is really stretchy, but that doesn't work. The front is a good length, but I think because of my butt, the back is very short. The zipper, like when I saw it, I wish the zipper was a hidden zipper, but it's actually pretty cute because they put like a little heart at the end to make it look better. I got this from Urban. I don't know, it just fits my body so well, like literally, like even if you eat in this, because it flows out right here. Like this is a very cute dress, like something like this. Ooh, just simple, cute. It's probably too short because I got it in a size too small, but it fits so great everywhere else. So I think a size bigger, I wouldn't like a size bigger, but I never knew unless I tried. But it's been like, what, 2 years? So they don't have it anymore. But this dress is in mint condition. I love t-shirt dresses, so I guess you guys can see that. You can it can be professional because it's long enough. I'm getting rid of it because I just think it's time to move on, but it's still in mint condition. Well, wait, there's a little pull right here, but it's not, it's just like one thread. But yes, I would just wear these with chunky heels and stuff. You could put a cute yellow belt. Imagine a pop of yellow, like a yellow belt, or a blue, like a pop of blue belt, or red. Ooh, that would be so cute. Do a white blazer, make it professional. It's the right size, so it looks like it floats away from the body for the most part, but the back kind of hugs a little bit if you got a little something, you know. All right, so y'all know this. I'm obsessed with this, but here we go. I have to accept the fact that I don't like how it fits in my midsection, because when I eat, it just be out of hand, right? And because I have long legs, it makes me look very long, which is nice, but the way it's cut up here makes me look like I have an elongated crotch, which is not cute for me. But this is still in pretty good condition. I think because when I eat, my stomach grows, so the thread is a little pulled apart here, just a tad, not too crazy. There's a little pulling, but not too much. In pretty good condition still. Got this from Boohoo. Makes the booty look good, you know. So it hits at the ankles, super cute. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in any of these items from my spring summer closet clean out, please head to my Poshmark and check them out. The link will be down below. I really want to do these kind of videos every season just to refresh my closet, because I know I hang on to a lot of things that I can definitely get rid of. So if you guys are interested, just go to my Poshmark. I think after a certain time, I will just donate them. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.